Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to create two aesthetically pleasing projects. So I'm going to get started. So in this project, I'm going to use one jar and a lid. I'm going to be using this glass and faux diamond bling. Pick this up from Amazon, and that's non-adhesive. I'll be using the silver paint as well as the tacky glue. Also, I'll be using this crystal doorknob. I'll be using this round 2.5-inch mirror and my hot glue gun. So I'm going to get started. Here I'm going to cut the wrap down to the shape and the width of the jar, and then I'm going to apply it with some glue. Here I'm making sure every inch of this wrap is covered with adhesive, that way it won't peel off once it's dry. Then I'm going to wrap it with this cloth just to keep it in place so it can dry. I'm going to let this dry overnight. So now we're going to paint the top. I'm going to use this silver paint, and I'm just going to paint the part of the top that won't be covered by the mirror. That's going to be the outer perimeter here at the top, and also I'm going to paint the edge as well. I'm just going to make sure every bit of that is covered, and I'm going to paint it twice. Then I'm going to let that dry for about 4 hours. So after it's dry, guys, I'm going to take and cut the bling wrap down to the size circumference of the top, and then I'm going to apply it with a little hot glue. So now it's time to apply the rest of the decoration. I'm going to add the mirror and the doorknob. Look how beautiful that looks, guys. The doorknob makes the top look really nice. So now that the jar is dry, I'm just going to show you what it looks like together, and this came out absolutely beautiful, guys. This is what it looks like set up on the table. Absolutely beautiful. So now it's time for project number 2. I have another jar. This is an empty jar from some Q-tips, and I'm going to use the top as well as the jar. This is the bling I'm going to use. That's really nice, and I'm pretty much going to use the same type of items. A 2.5-inch beveled mirror, guys, and as you can see, the edge is beveled as well. I'm going to use the same type of doorknob and my scissors. So I'm going to get started. So right now I'm just cutting all the decoration down to the size of the container as well as the top. And after that, I'm going to apply them both. Here I'm going to add some rhinestone buttons. The buttons don't quite match the rest of the decoration, but I'm going to use them anyway because I do like the way they look. So now that that's done, guys, I'm going to cut down the decoration to the size and the shape of the top. So guys, here's a little tip I'm going to share with you. If you're ever using diamond wrap that has its own adhesive and the adhesive is sticking over the edge of your project, simply just cut it away with your scissors without cutting the decoration, or you can take your hot glue gun, clean off the nozzle, and just use the heat from your nozzle to melt down any glue that's over the edge of your project. And this is what I'm doing here. There's a little bit of stickiness that's there, so I'm just removing it down, letting it recede back into the diamonds. So now it's time to add the mirror, guys, and this project is almost done. I'm going to add the doorknob as well. And guys, this came out absolutely beautiful. The tops are really beautiful, and I have to admit that this project does look aesthetically pleasing. So guys, you let me know what you think in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching today. I do appreciate it. You stay well, stay safe, stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye bye.